Hi guys! Ever wondered kung ano yung mga bagay na alam ng HR pero hindi laging sinasabi ng diretsahan? Hi, HR Dita here, and today pag-usapan natin ang ilang brutally honest workplace truths na makakatulong sa'yo para mas maintindihan ang realidad sa trabaho. First truth, HR is not your enemy. Pero tandaan, ang primary role ng HR ay protektahan ang company. Hindi ibig sabihin na laban sila sa employees ha, pero company interest usually ang priority. Second, malaking factor ang boss mo sa career mo. Kahit maganda ang performance mo, kung hindi ka visible or supported ng manager mo, minsan mahirap makuha ang promotion. Third, hard work alone is not always enough. Oo, importante ang sipag, pero sa workplace, mahalaga din ang impact at visibility. Kung walang nakakakita ng contribution mo, minsan hindi ito napapansin. Fourth, office politics exists almost every company. Kahit gaano kaganda ang culture, may relationships, alliances at influence pa rin ang nakakaapekto sa opportunities. Fifth, may mga promotions na napag-uusapan ng months before pa ito i-announce. Usually, part ito ng succession planning ng management. Six, being good at your job doesn't automatically mean ready ka na maging leader. Leadership requires different skills, communication, decision-making, at people management. Seventh, mabilis kumalat ang reputation mo sa workplace. Kung kilala kang reliable, collaborative, at professional, napapansin yan. Pero ganon din kapag negative ang impression. 8. Your salary is often connected sa previous salary mo. Kaya importante na matutunan mo kung paano mag-negotiate ng maayos. 9. Kahit gaano kagaling, the company will continue if someone leaves. That's why it is important to keep learning and investing in your own growth. And 10, ito siguro ang pinaka-importante na truth. Walang company na mas mag-aalaga sa career mo kaysa sa sarili mo. Ikaw pa rin ang responsible sa growth, skills at direction ng career mo. So work hard, stay professional, build good relationships, and most importantly, don't stop investing in yourself. If you want more honest conversations about careers, workplace realities, and corporate survival tips, follow HR Tita for your real talk about work life. Heart mo naman to.